Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Pokémon booster packs is probably one of the most exciting ways for trainers to expand their collection, offering a chance to pull rare and powerful cards that can elevate their gameplay or become valuable additions to their collection, making each pack a thrilling gamble for both seasoned collectors and new players alike. Number 5. Pokémon Interactive Kids Smartwatch. Get ready for adventure with this amazing smartwatch. It's packed with fun features to keep you entertained all day long. Choose from 10 awesome watch faces featuring your favorite Pokémon characters. Show off your style with Pikachu, Charmander, and more. This watch does more than tell time. Play games, take photos and videos, record your voice, and set alarms. It's your ultimate companion. Keep track of your steps and calories burned with the built-in fitness tracker. It's a fun way to stay active and healthy. Designed for active kids, it features a comfortable silicone strap that fits wrists from 5.5 to 8 inches. It's built to last for everyday adventures. Simply recharge it using the included USB cable. You'll be ready for your next adventure in no time. What we like. This watch brings the fun of Pokémon right to your wrist with 10 unique clock faces. It's packed with interactive games, a camera, and even fitness tracking to keep kids engaged. If you're looking for a fun and functional accessory for a young Pokémon fan, this is a fantastic choice for everyday wear and play. What people say. The watch is packed with fun features like games, a pedometer, camera, voice recorder, and even an alarm. My child loves seeing their favorite Pokémon on the screen and using it to train like a real Pokémon trainer. The touchscreen is responsive, and the graphics are colorful and clear. Number 4. Pokémon TCG, Sword and Shield Fusion Strike Booster Box. The path ahead is filled with rivals and fierce battles. But it also reveals limitless potential. Harness the unbound spirit of Pokémon and trainers alike. Adaptable new Pokémon V are eager for battle. Discover powerful new strategies with the Fusion Strike style. Rillaboom VMAX, Cinderace VMAX, and Inteleon VMAX appear in their Gigantamax forms. Master both Single Strike and Rapid Strike Pokémon. Dive into the Sword and Shield, Fusion Strike expansion. This set includes booster packs, card sleeves, and essential game components. You'll find everything you need to play, including energy cards, dice, and markers. Keep it all organized in a collector's box. Don't forget the code card for the Pokémon trading card game online. Continue your adventure in the digital world. What we like. Dive into the exciting world of Fusion Strike with this massive booster box, containing 36 packs. It introduces powerful new Pokémon V, VMAX, and Gigantamax forms, offering endless strategic possibilities. If you're a dedicated trainer aiming to build the ultimate deck and expand your collection significantly, this is the ultimate treasure trove. What people say. The cards are in great condition and the pull rates are amazing. This set has some really cool artwork and the holographic cards are stunning. I was able to pull some rare cards that I've been looking for. Number 3. Pokémon Cards, 3 Booster Packs. Get ready for an exciting surprise. You'll receive 3 booster packs filled with the magic of Pokémon. Each pack is a random selection from various sets, offering a unique adventure every time. Will you find a rare holo or a powerful GX? The possibilities are endless with these random packs. Expand your collection and enhance your battles with these diverse booster packs. Dive into the fun and excitement of Pokémon with this fantastic 3-pack bundle. What we like. Get a taste of different Pokémon TCG sets with this convenient pack of 3 booster packs. Each one offers a surprise mix of cards, adding an element of excitement to every opening. If you enjoy the thrill of the unknown and want to discover a variety of Pokémon from different expansions, this is perfect for a quick and fun collection boost. What people say. The cards in the booster packs feature a nice mix of recent and classic Pokémon. I was thrilled with the variety and quality of the cards I received. The booster packs have been legit with no sign of reseal. I've pulled some decent cards as well. I got Paldea instead, which is my favorite, and the eye opened up some awesome cards including double gold stars I did not have. Everything arrived perfectly, and early. Number 2. Pokémon TCG, Sword and Shield Fusion Strike Build and Battle Booster Kit. The road ahead reveals limitless potential. A new Fusion Strike style emerges, ready to harness the unbound spirit of Pokémon and trainers alike. Adaptable new Pokémon V like Genesect, Hoopa, and Mew VMAX are eager for battle. Single Strike and Rapid Strike Pokémon loom large, with Rillaboom VMAX, Cinderace VMAX, and Inteleon VMAX appearing in their Gigantamax forms. Go with the flow and discover powerful new strategies in the Pokémon TCG, Sword and Shield Fusion Strike expansion. Each unit includes a 23-card evolution pack with key cards from current and prior sets, featuring one of 4 alternate art promo cards. You'll also get 4 Pokémon TCG, Sword and Shield Fusion Strike booster packs and a deck-building tip sheet. The selection of cards gives you a strong foundation for building a new deck to play against your friends. Get ready to face your opponents with this exciting set. This build and battle stadium includes everything you need for 2 players to prepare and battle. It's the perfect way to jump into the action. What we like. Prepare for battle with this build and battle kit, featuring 4 Fusion Strike booster packs and special promo cards. It provides a strong foundation for creating a new deck right out of the box. If you're eager to jump into gameplay and want a head start on building a competitive deck for duels with friends, this kit is your ideal starting point. What people say. The cards are in great condition and the pull rates are amazing. This set has some really cool holographic cards that are a must-have for collectors. I was able to pull some rare cards that I've been looking for. Number 1. Pokémon TCG Sealed 3 Booster Pack Lot. Dive into the thrilling world of Pokémon with this exciting 3 booster pack lot. Get ready for an adventure. You'll receive 3 sealed packs, each containing 10 cards. That's a total of 30 cards to add to your collection. Each pack offers a chance to discover rare and holo cards. You never know what amazing Pokémon you might find. Will you pull a powerful V, VMAX, or VSTR card? These sought-after cards can significantly boost your gameplay. This is your opportunity to expand your collection and enhance your strategy. Start your Pokémon TCG journey today. What we like. Experience the classic Pokémon TCG pack opening with this 3 booster pack lot, totaling 30 cards. You have a great chance to pull rare, holo, V, VMAX, or VSTR cards. If you're looking for a straightforward and exciting way to add some potential powerhouses to your collection without committing to a full box, this is a great option. What people say. Random packs from random sets. Don't expect specific packs. Perfect condition of the cards. Came with decent cards and came in a cool Pokémon ball that wasn't even advertised. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.